This is North Pacific Railroad Swing Bridge. Was used by the Burlington Northern and Santa Fe Railroad, built in 1912, crosses the Willipa River South Fork, located in Raymond, Washington. And so this bridge is abandoned and swung open and everything. So this bridge is got a single track right there, right? And so this bridge, uh, um, it's a former Pacific Railroad. So this bridge crosses the Willipa River South Fork, and this bridge is a Rainbow Swing Bridge. So it's located in Raymond, Washington.